Yeah, today's third session. Uh, Yesterday we just did the first three items on the lesson plan. That is squaring of numbers. What are the ways a squaring can be done? Next is what? Prime numbers. We completed prime numbers and prime numbers related. Prime numbers means what? Prime numbers, twin primes, co-primes and prime triplets. And then we did integers. Integers is a very small one, isn't it? Okay. We relook of yesterday's session, that is how much we need to know natural numbers. Natural numbers are what? Definition of natural number is what? Counting numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1000, million, like that. And prime numbers, what is the definition of prime numbers? The number which is divisible by two distinct factors, that itself and one. Okay, two distinct factors, that's very essential. Okay, and so the reason why 1 cannot be the prime number. Prime number starts with 2. Right, how many even prime numbers in the number system? 1. There is only one, that is 2. Leaving 2, every prime number is odd number. But every odd number is not prime number. So that is okay. So, and how many prime numbers are there in the first 100 natural numbers? 25. That is very essential. The largest 2-digit prime number is 97. It's like that. Smallest 3-digit prime number 101. Okay. So that smallest 3-digit twin prime numbers 101 and 103. So what is that twin prime numbers? The difference is 2 between two consecutive prime numbers. The difference is 2 between two consecutive prime numbers. And prime triplets, that all three are prime numbers, but difference is what? Plus 4 plus 2 or plus 2 plus 4. Simple, you can say that. That's enough. Right. And now come to the natural number. Integers. Prime numbers generally, prime numbers are always, if any options are given, prime numbers are generally positive numbers. Prime numbers are always prime numbers, positive numbers. Which one is correct? Always. It's a property. Whenever we say always, that is one of the properties of the number. Properties of numbers plays a vital role. Okay, always. Prime numbers always positive numbers. Okay. Integers. Integers means just to remember one like a number line. Okay, number line. 0 is the integer and plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 are positive integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on is negative integers. That is the thing. Number line. You have to remember number line always. That's very simple one. Very small one. And integers are counting numbers. That is again. Okay. But we cannot see the decimals. Fine. Anyway, just to see that. Next comes to now today's topic is it is number 4 from the list lesson plan. From the lesson plan list is number 4, that is natural numbers, right? And okay, natural numbers are counting numbers. Now this is essential. Whatever it may be, that whole numerical aptitude plays with natural numbers only, right? Natural numbers. First you can see natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1000, 1 million, 1 lakh, 1 crore, billion, trillion, everything is natural numbers. That's and here what is essential part is whatever we are learning in future, that is we need to know now itself. Most of the things we need to know the terminology is being used in the questions. The same terminology which I have been using also. but that should help you also for this. Right. Natural numbers and consecutive natural numbers. What do you mean by consecutive natural numbers? Continuous without any break. For example, if you start with the 5, consecutive natural numbers is 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you start with 72, 73, 74, 75 is a consecutive natural numbers, right? And first consecutive natural numbers. First consecutive natural numbers are commences from beginning from 1. When the word is first is used, 1. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. First consecutive numbers. First 10 consecutive natural numbers. It means from 1 to 10. The first consecutive 25 natural numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 up to 25. The first 100 natural numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 till 100. The first 1 lakh consecutive natural numbers. 1 2 3 4 up to 1 lakh. That's the thing. And even numbers. What's the even numbers? 2, 4, 6 and so on. What is the definition of even numbers? Divisible by 2. It means if divisible by 2, remainder remains will be 0. That's called definition according to the mathematics only. And odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which cannot be divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, remainder will be 1. Odd number. Yeah. Yes. Any odd number is divisible by 2, remainder will be 1. For example, you can say 3 by 2, remainder will be 1. 5 by 2, remainder will be 1. 7 by 2, remainder will be 1. 9 by 2, remainder will be 1. 11 by 2, remainder will be 1. 13 by 2, remainder will be 1. Except in the case of 1. So 1 by 2. So it's exceptional case, that is. Except 1, all other odd numbers divisible by 2, the remainder will be 1. That is properties of numbers. Okay. Wherever there is a property, there is a concept, you will have a question there. That is the thing. Okay. They see, when the resource persons are making a setting question papers, they keep the properties in front of them. They keep doing the questions. Oh, right. Now we can see consecutive natural. Now we know the natural numbers, we know consecutive natural numbers, we know the first consecutive number, and we know odd numbers, we know even numbers, and we know the first odd numbers. First odd numbers means 1, 3, 5. Like first even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, like that. And within that like that, sum and average, we need to know that sum and average. And the questions, so many questions will come like that. But what is the average of the first 10 natural numbers? What is the average of the first 10 natural numbers? So generally what we do, mechanically, traditionally, what we do for them, we just sum the numbers. What is the numbers like that. So in practice what we do, first 10 natural numbers, first 10. So 1 to 10, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, we do that. So you will get a total. But average, we wanted to know the average. Average is what? So this is average. Generally, what is the formula of average? Sum of observations. sum of observations by number of observations. This is the traditionally we know this like that, and this is correct also. Sum of observations by number of observations you will have. Now we have written the sum of the observations. Number of observations is what? 10. Now what will happen? 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 9 45, 45 plus 10 55, 55 by 10. It means there is one zero is there, you can convert into one decimal. Okay. So even if you divide it like that also, I'll see that. And this is the shortcut actually. And see now, you can see divide by 10. 10 5s are 50. Remainder is what? 5. It's not sufficient. Decimal 0. Right, that's it. Okay. Yes, this is the average. But see, now we can see if the same question is asked, what is the average of the first 100 natural numbers? Then we cannot do like this. Isn't it? And what is the average of the first 100 natural numbers like that. So then how, see, if this is a question, then you have to download the information from the question. How do you download this information from the question? Solving, keep it aside, but how to download? You cannot see the question again and again. So you read the question, okay, fine. You need to know the average, the first 100 natural numbers. Then how do you write the equation for this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 leave 100. This is 4. Now information is downloaded from the question, that is first filling. So that is what the smart work in the exam hall, right? Anyway, now we have to put up the total. We cannot put up the total like this, but actually what is the formula for this? This is first, whenever is the first natural numbers, thus like you can take sum of first 100 natural numbers. This is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. When we want to know the average of first 100 natural numbers, it means, so n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by 100 number of observations, divided by number of observations. It's like that. Okay. Now if we apply the formula, how much it will happen? That is, so n, what is the n here? N is equal to what? N is equal to 100 observations. 100 observations. Okay. So see, that is, you know this also. I don't say you don't know, but it is my duty to explain this. Is right. 100 number of observations are what? 100. And see now what is n? 100 into 100 plus 1. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Right. How much it will come? You will get the sum. Sum of 100 numbers you will get. And what is the thing? That is 100 into 101 by 2 like that. So 50. And what is the next one? 101 into 50. 101 into 50. So 0 0 put 5 1 is 5 0 5050. Now you want to know the average. Average, what you can do here? Average 5050 by 100. So 0 0 gets cancelled here, and 5 2s 5 1s like that. So 101 by 2 you will get 50.5. So 50.5. This is the average. This is a lengthy process, but I don't say this formula is not required. It is very much required. We need to know, that's all. So sum of first observations always can be done n into n plus 1 by 2. But in a simple structure, you can finish it in one step like that. Let us see. We have taken too many steps here. Right. Now, sum of n observations. Sum of n observations is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. And average of n observations. Yeah. So whatever you get sum here, sum, and this sum by 100, you get the average, right? So now, what is the trick of solving at a stretch? Right. What is the number of observations? 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. Okay. This is the sum, and divided by 2. Divided by number of observations, 100. Now we can see straight. You can see 100 into 101 by 2 into 1 by 100. So what will happen here? 100 gets cancelled here. What is remaining? 101 by 2. It means 50.5. This is the thing. Fine. And this is also lengthy process. This is also very lengthy process. This is the traditional process. Then what is, but some places we need this, not always, right? And what is the shortest form? When it talks about the consecutive natural numbers, for example, you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. If you take for 10, this is the 10, you will get the average. Why? See now, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And sum of first number from the beginning and first number from the last. What is the sum of first from the beginning and first from the last? So 1 plus 10 is what? 11. And sum of second from the beginning and second from the last. 11. Sum of third from the beginning, third from the last. Fourth from the beginning, fourth from the last. Fifth from the beginning, fifth from the last. 11. So natural numbers always it will be like that. And what is the sum of, if you take any set of numbers, what is the, this is 11. Average, this is the sum of two numbers. 11 is the what? Sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. What is the average? 11 by 2 is the average of two numbers. Correct? Average of two numbers. So 11 by 2, what is the average that is? That is 5.5. Average of 10 numbers is 5.5. Then what is the sum? Then average is 5.5. Then sum is what? Sum equals to 5.5 multiplied by how many observations are there? 10. Right. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 5, 5. 0 you can add here. There is one decimal, 0 gets cancelled. So therefore 55. This is the structure is required. This is what we need. N into n plus 1 by 2, that is applicable only for the first natural numbers. Only for the first natural numbers. I don't say it is not required, it is very much required. That is. This is the thing. Okay. Now let us come to the thing that is, and what are we discussing about? We are talking about 100. Alva? So what is that? If you take 1, 2, 3, 100 means first you average means what? You can take any pair. Sum of first number from the beginning and first from the last. Sum of first number from the beginning and first number from the last. What would be the result? 1 plus 100. 101 by 2. 101 by 2. You can take so 1 plus 100 by 2. It means 101 by 2. It means 50.5 is the average. That's the answer. That's the answer. That is. That's the trick. But this method is possible only in the consecutive numbers. This trick is applicable only for the consecutive numbers. Okay, and now we can see what is the average? What is the average of the first 25 natural numbers? What is the average of the first 25 natural numbers? See, when you write the question, when you see the question paper, because an offline exam this is, what we have to do, how to download the information, that is more important here. What is being asked is, you have to underline this word average of first 25 natural numbers. First 25 natural numbers, you have to put like this. You have to highlight the words, what is being asked in the question, what is to be known for that, and how to short list the options given. Yes, if you write the 1 to 25 means what? First 25, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 25, right? This is the equation is written. And what is that? 1 plus 25 by 2. It means what? 26 by 2, that is a 13 is the average. 13 is the average. Even if you have everything, it will come like that only. Okay. Next, and see here, find the sum of.
So what is the sum of the numbers?
1 plus 2 plus 3, 225. You write the equation. You are downloading information from the question like this. You write like this.
Okay.
It means
Average
average means first number from the beginning and first from the last.
What is the
Divided by 2. 1 plus 25 is 26. 13. 13 is average.
sum?
Yes, I am writing here. Just I am writing, separately I am writing. Find the sum of the first 25 natural numbers. Right. It means average into number of observations. That it means I am telling the using the terminology. I am just using the terminology. But what you have to do that here? So when you start calculating, first you need to find the average. First average. Once you know the average, sum will be known. You keep this whole of this aptitude. First average you want to know. So that's average into number of observation. What is the average? How do you get the average? 1 plus 25 by 2 you will get the average here. See here, see the board here. Don't look into the book now. See that. Average into number of observation. Average means 1 plus 25. I am trying to explain the reducing the working steps. Okay, 1 plus 25 by 2, you will get what? Average you get. And then what happens now? 26 by 2 into how many observations are there? 25. Put 25. You will get the sum. Right. So 2 ones are 2 13s are. 13 into 25. 13 into 25 is what? 250. So 325 is the right. That is the thing. Because the steps we need to know, then we can crack the question. If you try to solve part by part, it takes a lot of time. It requires a lot of working space. It demands more working space. That's why first you know the average will be known, then multiplied by the number of observations. Okay, yes. Now it's very clear, no? Okay. And next you can see find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. Right. Do it now. Find the sum of first 20 natural numbers. If you download, then how do you download the information? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 20. Finish. You have downloaded the information from the question. You need not read the question again. Then you can start working. That's all. First thing is how to download the information from the question. This is the question. Now we can see these are the consecutive numbers. First you can see the average. First number from the beginning and first number from the last. This was 21 by 2. You will get the average. Don't simplify it also. But we wanted to know the sum. Into number of observations. How many observations are there? 20. See that. So 2 ones are 2 tens. 210 is the answer. Right. Like that. If you try to simplify again, it demands more time also. Because if you put one time, it gets simplified. Okay? Yes, next. Find the find the sum of the first 50 natural numbers. Let us try to download the information from the question. Right. That's it. Information has been downloaded from the question by writing required equation. Okay, yes. Now we can see the word first number from sum of first from the beginning and first from the last. 51 by 2, you get average of each number multiplied by number of observations 50. 2 was a 225. 25 was a 25, 2 carry 25 into 5 125, 127, 1275. That's right. Yes. Okay. Yeah, fine. Do you have any queries? Absolutely zero. Right. Now, we talks about consecutive numbers. First 50 natural numbers are consecutive numbers. First 25 natural numbers are consecutive numbers. First 100,000 numbers are consecutive numbers. Now, you can see, move on to the next step. What is the average? What is the average of even numbers? Even numbers. What is the average even numbers in the first 10 natural numbers? Right. So, what is the average? Fine. Average is required of even numbers in the first 10 natural numbers. You are writing 1 to 10 even numbers. Then 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. You get sum divided by 5. Then you get average. Okay. Again, same concept. What we can see, first from the beginning and first from the last. These are consecutive numbers, consecutive even numbers. These are consecutive numbers. It is in the progression. It is in the arithmetic progression. Now you can see 2 plus 10 is what? 12. 12 by 2, you get average into number of observations. Okay, you take 10 observations. 10. So 60. 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6. It's a 5, alva? Yes. So 6, it means 30. Right. Because the 10 natural numbers fits odd number, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, 5 numbers will be there. That is how it can be done. Find the average. Find the average of even numbers in the first 100, even the first 100 natural numbers. Right. Again, just I emphasize once again, the basic input is so essential for CSAT patterns. They don't step away from basics. That's why basic numeracy it is being said. So what happened? The first even number is what? 2 plus first. Yes, that's right. Because 100 is also an even number. Then what? Sum of two even numbers is what? 102 by 2. You get average. Don't simplify. Don't simplify that. So it is like, if you do this, what happens? Your result will be average. But okay, only average we wanted to know. You can simplify now. Yes, equals to what? 51. It's like that. So that is the thing. Next you can see. What is the sum of even numbers? What is the sum of even numbers in the first 100 natural numbers, right? Sum. See, that is, you have to underline this word, sum. Even numbers, first 100 natural numbers. That's what you have to underline. Then start solving. Because offline paper. Okay, sum, even numbers, first 100 even numbers, right? So 2 is asking sum. Sum is equal to what? Average into number of observations. 2 plus 100. 102 by 2 will get average into how many even numbers will happen in the first 100 natural numbers? 50. Okay, 50 odd numbers, 50 even numbers. Now, see, now we can see this and this, you get simplify also. 51 into 50. So 5 into 0 you can keep, 5 into 1, 5 into 5, 25. This is the thing, right? And now you can see the sum of odd numbers, that is sum of odd numbers in the first 100 natural numbers, like this. What you can do here? 1 plus 99 by 2 into 50. Yes. So 100 by 2 into 50. It means what? 2500. Right. That is there. Okay. Now it's very clear information. Terminology. Sum, average, consecutive numbers, first consecutive numbers. That's right. And now we can see find the sum of natural numbers. Find the sum of natural numbers from 101 to 101 to 200. Then 101 to 200. It means let us sum is asking natural numbers. Okay, 101 to 200. 101 plus 102, 103 and so on till 200. Sum. I think downloaded the information from the question. We just downloaded the information from the question. Again, it's a consecutive numbers. It's a consecutive numbers. It means what? What is the methodology? What are we learning? First number from the beginning and first number from the last. You get average. You get average multiplied by number of observations. How many observations are there? 100. Then, okay. So now 301 by 2 into 100. So now you can see 0 you can keep, 5 ones are 5, 5 into 0, 0, 5 3s are 15. Right, 15,050. Application. Right. Next we can take find the sum of natural numbers, from 100 to 200. First number from the beginning is what? 100. First number from the last, 200 by 2, you get average into how many observations? 100. See, that's 101. Just they ask like that. 101 to 200 is 100. If you take 100, so that becomes 101. Okay. So now you can see 300 by 2 into 101, like that. So this is 150. 0 you can keep like that, multiply with 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. 15,050, 100 is added. 15,150. This is how it will come like this. Okay. Yes. And next you can see what is the average? What is the average of 3-digit numbers? What is the average of 3-digit numbers? Next. See, whatever questions we see, CSAT patterns now. So far, basic, very basic. What is the average of 3-digit numbers? What is the average of 3-digit number? Every concept is being interconnected, interrelated. Are you finding difficult? Okay. What is the average of 3-digit numbers? 3-digit number, okay. What is the first 3-digit number? 100. Plus, what is the first 3-digit number from the last? 999. By 2. It means, so 1099 by 2, you get average. So 2 5s are 2 4s are 19, 2 9s are 18.5. This is the average. Okay, that's it. Now find the sum of 3-digit numbers. Find the sum of 3-digit numbers. Find the sum of 3-digit numbers. That is average multiplied by number of observations. Average multiplied by number of observations. Average multiplied by number of observations is equals to sum. Right. Yes, did you get the answer? Okay, average already we know that is, so 549.5 into how many observations are there? 1000 gone. See, that's why. If you take 1000, how it is 1000?
100.
You are starting from 100 to 999.
See, 101 to 1000 numbers ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
1000 is starting from 1 is to 1000.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ 1 number proceed ಆಯ್ತು, ಈ ಕಡೆ 1 number proceed ಆಯ್ತು.
No. See,
100 is included ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
100 is included.
Sir, if we say how many numbers is there between
Yes.
100 and 1000,
Yeah.
we will say
900 numbers. See,
Sir, 999 minus 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 900.
yes, that's why. See, what is the largest 3-digit number? 999. Largest 3-digit. This is 1 is also included, 2 is also included. 1-digit numbers are also included, 2-digit numbers are also included. Minus 2-digit number. So 900. 900. See, that's why. So this is a 900. Is a thing. So 900. So because this every chapter is interconnected, interrelated. It's like that. Okay. Yes. Now how the CSAT will ask the question now? May ask, but I know their psychology. Okay. So right. The sum of digits. The sum of digits of resultant. The sum of digits of resultant number of the sum of digits of resultant number of the average of two digits numbers. Right. See now, this is the CSAT patterns. Yes, you are taking such a long time. So first sum of digits of, okay, resultant number. We can see the result later on. Average of 2-digit numbers. Average of 2-digit number. First we have to do the average of 2-digit number. What is the first average, the 2-digit number? 10 plus what is the first number from the last? 99. average total 109 by 2, you will get it. What is the resultant number? 54.5. What is the sum of the digits of resultant? This is resultant, sum of the digits. 5 plus 4 plus 5. So it's a 14. Right. Like that questions are asked. That's only difference between any other exam and CSAT.
Point also should
Point is not a countable number. No?
by
Digits only you can take. But this is the average. But what is the sum of the digits of result? This is resultant number. What is the sum of the digits? Point is not a digit. It's like that. But now for the last 3-4 years, what pattern is being asked? That same these questions asked in statement 1, statement 2, data sufficiency type. Ultimately, you must be knowing the original concept. If the concept is known, let the question asked be in any form, any format, can be answered. Is statement 1 sufficient enough to answer? Statement 2 sufficient enough? Both statements required, neither one nor two, like that. So that is the thing. This can be later or later. Some of the digits of the result number will come last. Then what is next? Just like that. Okay. Yes. Now this is CSAT pattern, this model. Okay. Right. And again you can see what is the sum of two digit numbers in the number system? Right. Now you can say sum 2 digit numbers. What is Uda? We don't need that. You want 2 digit number. First you can take average 10 plus 99. That is what? 1029 by 2. You will get the average. Right? Multiplied by how many observations? 90. Right.
5.
How much? 5?
3, 5.
5, 3, 5?
5.
5. Basically. They may ask even for some of the digits also. 18. They may ask
490.
how many prime factors are there.
490.
Yavadu? Which one?
5355. 490.
See, 2, this is 45, no? 45 into 9 what? 360, 405, yes.
490.
490. Right. 4905. So like that. There you can see they may ask, like instead of asking this is sum of the digits, they may come up with tomorrow how many prime factors are there in the resultant number. How many prime factors are there? That can be there. Prime digits are there. See that tomorrow. It's like, it means we need to know the originality of the question. Right. Next you can see, I think this is a very clear information, right? And now let's say multiples of numbers, multiples of natural numbers. Now multiples of numbers is what? Like a table. So multiples of 2, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 is what? Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. And multiples of 5, 10 and 15, 20, 25 and so on. And so on like that. Right, this is multiples of numbers. Question is just multiples of number. You write the multiples of numbers. Multiples of means it will come like, it's like a table. Multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It's a table. The word we need to know that is, that's all. Okay. And next you can say, the sum of 5 multiples of the sum of 5 multiples of 3 is, the terminology which how it is being used. The sum of, okay, the sum 5 multiples of 3, 5 multiples of 3, 5 multiples of 3, see that. It means equation, how do you write information? 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, 5 numbers. It means plus, plus, plus and plus is what? 18, 20, 30 is what? 45. It's 45 like that. That's the thing. Okay, is right. And next, and the sum of 25 multiples of 3 is, then how do you do? You cannot write, but you can download the information first. 3 multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. This is 25 into 3, the last one. You should write like this. First, download the information from the question. The last number will be 25 into 3. Like that it will come. It means 3, 6, 9. So this is 75 it will come. 75 it will come. Correct? 25 into 3, 75 it will come. For 5, we are written here 5. Last number will be 5 into 3. Last number will be 5 multiples. 5 into 3 is 15. Like that 25. 25 into 3, 75. Again, what is the concept we have used so far?
Last.
This is the consecutive numbers again.
Last is the
It is the progress. First from the beginning, first from the last. 78 by 2 you will get average into number of observations are how many? 25. Even you can try for this also. So 3 plus 15 is 18 by 2 into 5. It means 45. Right. So now you will get. Again same pattern, same concept. Here always you can see middle average is equal to middle term. What is the average here? 18 by 2, 9. 9 is a middle term. See that. Here average is equals to middle term. Average is equal to middle term. Average 9 means 9. It's like that. Okay. Yes. And let us see some more questions of it. Find the sum of the digits. Seven. 9 multiples of 7, like that. First 9 multiples of 7. It means you can just underline, okay, sum of the digits of the resultant number. This can be checked later on. Number of 9 multiples of 7. 9 multiples of 7. 9 multiples of 7. 9, 18, 20, sorry, multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35, or you can say 7, okay, 14, what is the last number will be 7 into 9, it's like that, okay. So it means 7 plus 63, 70 by 2, right, this will get average into how many observations are? 9, right. So 235, 35, 35, 305. That is the sum of the digits now. 3 plus 0 plus 5 is right. Right. 315. 350. Yes, 315. It means this is 1. It will can take 9. Right, 9. Right. It's like that. Like that, the questions are asked. So, is being, will be. Right. What is the average of 11 multiples of 11? What is the average of 11 multiples of 11? Eleven plus 11 into 11. See that. So we just 11 plus 121 by 2 will get average. It means what is that? 121 132 by 2. It means 61. Right. So 66. 65, 66. Yes. Right. That is the thing. The same. Okay. Right. Next. the middle term in the 11 multiples of 11, 66. Okay, 11 multiples of 6. Okay, that is what is the answer? 66. Why? Because middle term is equals to average. Middle term is equal to average. Like middle term is equal to average. But the middle term in the 12 multiples of 11 is there. So we have taken is 11 multiples here. There are 12 multiples are here. Middle term or middle terms, because middle term will not happen here. This is the even number of observations. Even number of observations, you would not see the middle term. Middle terms will be there. Two numbers will come. What are the middle terms? That's why they put oblique and S. Oblique and S, you can see that. Terms. In the 12 multiples of 11. Seventy-one and 71, it will not, that is a consecutive numbers. There should be a 11 difference. 71, 72 is a consecutive numbers, you can say like that.
So now the average is 71.5.
Average 71.5. Yes. Now average is 71.5. You have to take for two numbers. Sum of two numbers into 2 you can take. 2 5s are 10. 2 plus 1 3. 1430 middle terms. The sum of the two middle terms are 1000. No. Point is there. No. Take 143. Take 143. Sum of two middle terms are 143.
Yes, sir.
Middle term also, sir.
So the average, sir.
You will have two middle terms. You cannot have one middle term because this is a number of observations are 12.
Then there can't be middle term, sir. But
That's why middle terms. What are that middle terms?
which are those? 70 and 77, sir.
143 total. The sum of two middle terms is equal to 143.
Sir,
Hello, sir,
the
what
average
are 10
is
times?
71.5, sir.
Huh?
Average is 71.5.
Average is 75. For single term. For two terms, because you will not get averages, you will get that is. But some of the middle terms. The question is the middle terms.
Sir, if question is first 10 natural numbers, which is the middle term that
Yes. Okay. See, I just write build up 11, no? 11, 22. No, wait. 33, 44. Huh? Okay. 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and 110. 121, 132. Okay. Right. 132. And what is average now?
71.5.
132 plus 11 total. Yeah, that's how we get average. No? 132, 133, 143. 143, that's average. But here you can see the middle terms, how it will come like that. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 12 numbers. No? You have to take both numbers. So 7 plus 66 plus 77. How much this is? 13, 40, 143. That's why I put 143. But what are the numbers?
66 and 7.
How do you get? How do you get? If you write like this, you will get. Without writing. Without writing what? Then you have to take the sum of two numbers you have to take. If there is an odd number of observations, straight away that number you will get. This is the even number of observations. Observations are an even number. You have to take sum of two numbers, that is 143. If there is only 11, we can take, just you can take straight away, that is. But sum of even numbers, sum of two numbers only you have to take, pair, 143. That 143, so if you take 143, this is the sum of two consecutive numbers. Sum of two consecutive numbers. And what is it? This is multiples of 11. 143 minus 11. How much it will come? 143 minus 11 to 132. 132 can be divided by 2. 65, 66. First number is 66. Another number is 66 plus 11. So it's finding difficult. No.
Sir, or you can do one more method, sir.
Yes.
Whenever they are given 12,
Yes.
even numbers, you can take for odd and then add 11, sir.
How? Explain.
Sir, for example, in the above question, what is the average of 11 multiples of 11? It is odd. So only one average you will get.
That's all.
So whenever they are asking for even, you can take the before odd and then add 11. Sir, for 11 multiples of 11, the average is 66, sir.
Yes.
Then add 11. Whenever they are asking for even, you can just add 11, sir.
77. So 66 plus 77. Yes.
You can do that.
Because difference is 11.
That method also we can do, sir.
Yeah, if you take 11 like that.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು.
For any question, ಯಾವುದೇ ಇವಾಗ even ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you can add ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Sir, one more question you give, sir.
24 minutes.
I will tell you one more. You give me one more question.
Yes. Okay, I'll write one more.
Sir, you give me one more question, sir. I will tell you.
Yeah, fine. I will do it. That is okay. Even now we can see. Uh,
24 minus 3.
the middle terms.
For even and you give, sir.
Yes, the middle terms of
Sir, 12 multiples of 12 will give, sir.
12 multiples of, I put 12. Okay, yes. See, that's right. See, everybody is very smart, everybody is willing to crack it. The problem is that we are unable to understand the terminology used in the question. I just put it like this, 144 plus 12, isn't it? 156 by 2, you will get to 78. Okay, 156, even 156, no, 72 and this 12, no? 84, yes, 72 and 84.
See, you can do this method also, sir.
Yes, but your method is now, yes, and you just came straight. Okay, now we can see that 12 multiples of 12 means, let us take 11 multiples of 12.
First.
11 multiples of 12. Yes, then you can add 10 because this is become multiples of 12. We can take like that. Yes. So that can be done. Did you get that? Yes,
So
that
it's
is
easier.
easier one. It's a very easier one that is. You can take for odd numbers, straight away you will get one number. Right. So even I do the same way only, but I am doing reversing way, that is. For example, you can take first number from the beginning 12, first number from the last 144. It means what? 156. 156 by 2, you will get what? Average 78. 78. Again multiply 156, okay. 156 minus 12, it means 144 divided by 2, 72. First number is 72, another number is 72 plus 12, right? So 72 and 84 is like that. That's right. Fine, wonderful, right? Right. She found something new, even which I did not know also. I appreciate, because that's why every time I take class now I will keep learning something from our aspirants only. That's why I am able to write a book now. It should not be monotonous. We should allow the people to talk. Okay, right. So this is how this. Okay, if it fake or odd numbers, always you will get straight away. It's like that. Consecutive numbers means immediate numbers. Multiples of numbers means difference will be that much. But here what they may ask also, even may ask in CSAT, what is interesting CSAT is what? They may come up with what is the sum of the digits of middle terms. CSAT, they like that. They will add that. See, the sum of the digits, the sum of the digits of middle term or term, they put oblique and write. The sum of the digits of the middle term or terms of 12 multiples of 12, right. Now 12 multiples of 12, it's like that.
72.
Yes, you can tell like that. So when he sees that instant, people go panic. Like that. 70, what is that numbers? 72 and 84, right. The what will be happen, that is the sum of the digits of the middle terms, right. It means 72 plus 84 is what? 656. Again is 1 plus 5 plus 6. Therefore, that is 612. Right. Just like that. So that is. Okay. And this is again how they create some confusion for the same question only. I will write here. They may come up with. Right. The average of they themselves they put the answer also. The average of 12 multiples of the average of 12 multiples of 12 is equal to, see that, the average of 12 multiples of 12 is equal to option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay, see that. And write the average of 12 multiples of 12 is equal to uh, only B. Is our style. Which one?
Only A.
Only A, that's right. Did you get that? Select it. So it can just welcome. It will be same. Like that. Say for example 12, 24, 36, 48. I think space is not insufficient space. Right, you'll see that 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, what is that 96? 108, 120, 132, 144. See that. 156. Like that. It will be the same, that is. That's all. It means we need to know the pattern, not just the cracking. The methodology is important. So like that. Right. Yes. And what is the middle term? What is the middle term? Middle term in the in the 99 multiples of of 9. What is the what is the middle term in the 99 multiples of 9? What is the middle term? 99 multiples of 9. It means what? Average is equal to middle term. Average is equal to middle term. Average is equal to middle term. 455. 455. You can check whether the number is divided multiples of 9 or not. Sum of the digits, like 3 and 9 is the same rule. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. But it is not multiples of 9. Somewhere it is wrong.
Sir, 415. 418.
4, 4, 1,
8.
8. No,
Multiple.
it won't happen.
0.5.
Huh?
418.5.
418.5. Yes. And see, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13, 13, 16, 13, 26, 27. Yes. So 9 threes of 9 fours of 36, 5 remainder 58, 54, 54, 4, 45, 45. Yes. Right. Done. What is the middle term? This is the average you can get. Average is the middle term. But the 99 terms, but full, there must be full number, no? Because 99 terms are there. The decimal will not happen. Why it is like that?
But it is coming later.
Average is there. Like you can say 9,
Sir, 450, sir.
450,
450.
450, 450.
Yeah, how?
See that.
Last multiple 891.
Wait. What is 99 into 9?
891.
No, 99 into 9.
891.
Sir, correct, sir. 450.
Correct? 9 plus
891.
891. It means what? 900. 900 by 2, 450. Yes. This is a cross check. Okay. This is a cross check. This I just cross checked. 450. 454 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Multiples of 9. 3 and 9 same. See, this all tricks will help us to solve cracking. So that is a thing. Okay. But CSAT, what the question? What is the sum of the digits? So sum of the digits of it. Like that. That's just like that. Okay. Yes, fine. I think this topic is over, I believe that is. What else is written in my lesson plan, flow of lesson plan, that is?
Consecutive natural numbers.
Yes.
Consecutive odd numbers.
Yes.
Consecutive even numbers. First consecutive natural numbers.
Yes.
Multiples of natural numbers.
Yes.
Sum and average of natural numbers.
Hmm.
And that's it.
That's
Sir, in
n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, let us know, because that we studied in our school days at least. So, n into n plus 1 by 2 applicable to the only the first consecutive natural numbers, not for any other thing. You can also apply highly complicated. It's not. Direct rule is that n into n plus 1 by 2 applicable to only the first consecutive natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2 is applicable to only the first consecutive natural numbers. That's fine. That's why I mentioned it, because let us learn everything. So it all mentioned that is. Only the first consecutive natural numbers, not for anything else. I think that's done. Okay, fine. This is enough for today's session, but basics we have learnt well. And what is the next topic? Face value, place value will start tomorrow. That is, okay. Yes, and we'll wrap up the program. We shall assemble back again tomorrow.